Introduction. A hadith of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, found in Jami at Tirmidhi, number 3235, contains a comprehensive and all-encompassing supplication of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. If acted upon, it will aid a Muslim to achieve noble character. According to the hadith found in Jami at Tirmidhi, number 2003, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, has advised that the heaviest thing in the scales of Judgment Day will be noble character. It is one of qualities of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, which Allah, the Exalted, complimented in chapter 68 Al-Kalam, verse 4 of the Holy Quran.
And indeed, you are of a great moral character.
Therefore, it is a duty on all Muslims to gain and act on the teachings of the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, in order to achieve noble character. Over 400 free eBooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.